Can Hi, this is a 2018 GMC truck Sierra. So we're gonna make a video of the backup, startup, and blinker and horn. So we're getting in. I'll hold the keys. Oh, this is a key in the ignition. I'm getting in about the trunk first. Look, is this the front?
Yep.
This is the key in the ignition.
Okay.
What's the keyhole? Right here. No, Cass, that's the air ignition. Key. Right there. Okay, I want to get out now. I want to get out now. Let's hear the blinker. Still, it's not open. Can you turn off the air? Mom, it's got you allowed to stand up.
I'm not standing.
No, we're not allowed to stand.
All right.
Let's go for a ride.
Take it for a ride. Where are you gonna ride? In the seat next to me?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna ride in the back with the big kids?
I'm gonna sit in front.
Okay.
And let's go hear the backup warnings, guys.
Scoot over. I'm gonna leave the video running.
What?
All right. Is there a problem?
I'm just trying to sit on there when you're riding. Right now, my mom is not in the car. This is the coolest Sierra ever. Let's get started on our backup thing.
Well, first we have to go find something to back up to. So,
Still recording?
yes.
Let's go to Carrie's on.
Door open. Camden, your door's open.
No, it's not.
It says it is. Pull the handle and reclose it.
I can't. It's not open. It says door open. Ding, 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 ding. My door doesn't even open.
Yeah, it does. It's on child lock day.
It says door open, Camden. It dung at you. It's saying door open.
Okay.
It also goes.
Everybody's door shut.
Okay. We going on the road?
Well, yeah, just for a second.
We're gonna find something to back up to. So here we go, guys. This is our mission. You gotta find something backed up to. So what are we gonna back up to?
Oh, I don't know.
Why did you think that this car was a push button?
I just thought it was. I don't know.
There's really a key in the ignition.
You're right.
And also there is a push button. No.
A different kind of push. Well, it has an off and on button. The off button, you can turn it on. If your keyboard doesn't work right, you can use that.
Is that right, Mom?
Yep.
Not on this car, but on a lot of cars.
Yeah.
But not on my car. I don't have a key. Mine's just a push button. There's no button to take off.
Where's the backup? Why are we on the road?
Yeah, I'm trying to turn into the neighborhood now.
Okay.
Isn't that how it's right?
To our neighborhood, though.
So right now we are driving in the Sierra truck. It's 2018, guys. So don't forget that it is a 2018.
And it's black everywhere. Don't forget that.
And it's dinging.
Yes.
Mom, who doesn't have their seatbelt on?
Me.
Oh,
Do you want me to buckle it?
no.
Okay.
I was just making sure.
I have my seatbelt on.
Thank you, buddy.
How come? Okay, so here we are in a neighborhood. Are we at a neighborhood yet?
We're in our neighborhood. We're at my school, Cash.
Are we about to back up?
I'll go in that way.
Cash, we're at our
You know
school.
what? I almost turned a little too early.
Still recording.
Mm-hmm.
The key's banging. Why is the key banging?
It's not.
Because I'm driving.
It's the swinging around.
You ready?
Yeah.
You know what?
What?
It doesn't.
Doesn't have backup.
Nope. It doesn't. Mine does.
Yours does?
No, mine doesn't either.
Let's just keep it.
Nope. No backup beep, just like mine, because it's not. It's just an SLT or something.
SLE.
SLE maybe.
It's a. Wait, I'll read it.
It's not a Denali,
Yeah.
so it doesn't have that. But
Denali's only Denali's have backups warnings.
the chime. But like when I put it into reverse on this truck, there's a screen up here so I can see behind me. So it's very easy to back up. But it doesn't beep at me, so you just can't hear anything.
Right.
Well, what if you're not looking? What if you're on your phone and you're very close to something?
Well, you're not supposed to be on your phone when you're driving, and that's why.
There's also a ding when you turn on your headlights that I want to figure out. I think there is.
Here, I'll turn them on. Ready?
Yeah. Can you turn them on?
There, I did.
Takes a minute. And when you turn the car off. It does it when you turn the car off.
I think so.
Only when you turn the car off. So try that. Try when you turn off the car.
Hey, Cash,
What?
I can't turn off the car. I'm driving.
You'd stop the car.
No, I'm not, you can't just turn off the car in the middle of the road.
So where are we going right now?
Home?
Me and Dad and Ripken and Mom have a really long drive. You said we like go places 10 minutes.
You all four went together?
This also has.
Today we only went
Off my
me,
seatbelt.
Dad, and Ripken, and then Mom, Dad, Ripken, and me. Because Mom got to drive the truck. She has been in a truck, just never drove one before.
Can I?
This is her first time driving in a truck. If you put a 8+ in there, it charges. So
Wow, that's amazing.
You
Is yours
still have
A
the
plus?
headlights on?
What?
Yeah, headlights. Let's see. Okay.
Open the door.
It does. That's so cool.
Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah. I'm gonna keep listening to this. Ding, ding,
Okay, well, I
ding,
need
ding.
to end the video because it's very long.
That's the end of the video. I'm gonna keep listening to the ding ding ding.
Okay, end your video though.
Bye guys.